Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have Porsche Panorama. And we put a rear body control module or rear electrical control module. The original one, let me put the AC off. The original one messed up. Water get into it. We get one new from the dealer, and we are trying to see if we will be able to program it. We have a used one, it doesn't work. So let's go to programming. Be sure you have internet connect. This is the VIN number. Say okay. 970 Panamera up to May 2017. This is 2012. Say yes. Okay, diagnose. Let me auto scan. I want to scan everything before ignition is on. Car is not cranky. Okay, but let's diagnose the car. Okay, engine have 3 fault, transmission 7 fault, Porsche stability control, management airbag. I'm gonna put the sound down, source off. Let's leave it on to diagnose. There is some codes. If it's not, I will call the dealer right now and send it. This car have a lot of codes. At least I'm gonna delete all the codes. 60%. Okay, let me see the report. Okay, it's a lot. Underline incorrect immobilizer code from the front electronic. Sport check transmission control code. Mismatch between data version and engine. Starter interlock signal. Communication engine control. Okay, a lot of codes. Steering wheel. Okay, it's a lot of airbag. Lamp voltage supply, no communication with the rear end ECU. Engine, no communication rear end ECU. Check gateway function. Wow, a lot of codes. Gateway. A lot of code. AC7 code. Escape. So what do you want to do? Print it if I can. Skip this. Creating PDF. Searching for printer. No printer found. Okay, I will look for the printer later. Let me save it. Save as PDF. Skip the mileage. Let me create the PDF and leave it there. This is the date. That's enough. Save. Okay. Quick erase all these codes. I want to clear them, and then we see what need to be done. I'm clearing all the codes now. Okay, now pass engine. I have one code, gateway one code, AC one code. Let me see what they have. I cannot clear those. Okay, steering wheel, AC. Okay, let me see what's going on. Okay, incorrect immobilizer code from front end electronic. Incorrect immobilizer code from front end electronic. Check some. No communication with the rear end. Coding front and rear end adjust motor, bracket adjust motor seat weight. Okay, escape this one here. Escape everything. Escape. Okay. Okay. Online coding. Do you have internet? Yes. I don't have backup coding. Maybe it will not work. Let me see what's gonna happen. I'm not sure, so I have to reback it again because I'm not sure. He asked me a couple of questions, so I'm gonna reback everything again and see if I can do it. Stay with us. Ask me if I back up, if you are sure or not, and I just say, you know what, currently in process. So let me back up originally, and then I get it. I take it from there. Stay with us. We back up all the coding data, and then we're gonna try to put it into the other one. I'm gonna see what happened. It's a one error. Coding online succeed. Is that already? take this one off. I need individual. Let me go back. It doesn't work. Nothing. It's not possible. It's no good. Okay, just request quote. Okay, We're gonna leave everything now. I'm gonna leave this one here for now, and we will check the possibility of what need to be done. Yes, there is a problem. Autel cannot do it. Escape, because you need to code it first. Even if you go to anything else like immobilizer, maybe you can do nothing. If you need to do Porsche, you have to have the tools for Porsche. Yes, original tools. Let me go to Imo. Accept. No good. Honda by VIN. Okay. Only for key, you can't do nothing for remote, for other stuff. So I believe we are gonna take this car to video. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.